Hi, I'm Nathan Scrovey, Director of Product Development here at Sullivan's, and I'm thrilled to talk about a new theme for the holiday season called Welcome Winter. And as you can see here, the beautiful tones of whites and grays. Start out with the tree here where you see the gunmetal bells, some of the lighted ornaments, some of the beautiful colors of that gray and blue, and then all accented with the flock tree and the flock boughs that all correspond. There's about 35 to 40 ornaments within this group, so lots of things to choose from to create your own style within the tree. Some of the other elements in this theme are the embossed patterns, which are really, really fun. This is exclusive to Sullivan's. This is embossed tree pattern. So it's actually embossed and then rubbed away so the tree pattern shows up. It comes in several different sizes and containers. You'll see the gnomes. The gnomes are really fun. They've got the striped leg pattern here. We've done something different with gnomes. They continue to be very, very popular. So we trimmed them out with a little bit of boxwood, which gives them that unique finish. And you can see that we have several different sizes all the way up to tall versions. You can see the Santa Claus here where it's got the tweed patterns here with the flannel coat trimmed out with all of the botanicals and the flocking and the gunmetal bells, which are really unique. The wall decor, we have a lot of lighted wall decor, and this is one of the elements here that you can see where it says Welcome Winter on the whitewashed wood, but it has the LED lighting. Again, all of our lighted items have the timer, 6 hours on, 18 hours off. They all come with that feature, which is great. One battery set lasts most of the holiday season. Other elements within here is the snowman grouping here, as you can see, really, really elegant and fun. You can see here with the bells that are actually attachments, which gives you that really exciting detail. The snowman comes 3 different sculpted versions here, which are really fun to pair together and stage together in your home. The wall art up here you can see is our exclusive wall art, our licensed exclusive to Sullivan's. And you can see the Merry Christmas with the home truck, the Let It Snow with the muckluck boots. But all bring in that casual element, but then framed with the really nice glass with the nice wood washed gray frame. Really elevates it as well and creates a nice story for your home. The lighted wreaths up here with the holiday, Home for the Holidays, sculpted laser cut wood, which really gives you a nice fun for a front door or fun for a kitchen wall. But this is Welcome Winter. We're excited about it. We think it's going to be a really popular theme for you and for your home.